Hi everybody, it's Food Pantry Day. Yes, regular day this week. Because even though we have lots and lots and lots of stuff to do, we was able to fit it into the schedule today. Woohoo! So here we go. We have traditional frosting cupcakes, chocolate, and vanilla cupcakes. We have biscuits. Usually when you get the biscuits, they're a little underdone, so I like to definitely cook them just a little bit more, because as you can see, they're a little bit pale in my opinion. But thankful to have them, because I'm not good at making biscuits, so that's a treat. We got an apple pie, cinnamon chip muffin, a stir-fry blend of vegetables. I don't know, we don't eat a lot of stir-fries around here, but I'll use them in, whatever takes vegetables. Got a Italian loaf of bread, summer slaw, a BLT salad with chicken and bacon. That sounds really good. I'll probably eat that. Mini sticks, turkey, savory herb flavored. Never heard of them, but boy, is that a treat, because dried meat products, very expensive. Juicy juice, grape. Greg will love that. Shredded collard greens. I've never tried collard greens still, but I do now have bacon in my freezer. I'll take some out, because I hear bacon and collard greens is great. So I'm going to take some out and we'll try some. 2 onions. We got some apricots back there. Tomato sauce. Sweet peas. Another can of apricots. Mixed vegetables. Hey, soup time is year-round in this family, and the mixed vegetables just make it so much easier and quicker. And black beans. Bunch of little teeny apples. I will probably give those to Greg as well, because they look like Max, and those are his ultimate favorite apple. A whole chicken. I will let that thaw a little bit to get the plastic and stuff off. Then I'll pop it in the Instapot for an hour. And it'll be all done and happy and lovely. And then I can pick it and put the chicken away for later use, or use it tonight, whatever. No, tonight we're having a quick, easy dinner, because it's just me and Emma, so that's always nice. But yeah, I'll just do up the chicken, I'll freeze up the broth with it, and it'll all be good to go for whenever I decide to use it for. We got honey ham and low sodium ham, 2 tomato sauces, a Smucker's strawberry topping, that sounds really good, and Uncrustables, peanut butter and strawberry jam sandwich. I've actually, believe it or not, never had one in all my 40 some odd years. I'm going to be 47 this month. Woo! And a bunch of dark chocolate, peanut and almond Nature Valley granola bars. And this is not a Food Pantry thing, but I saw it today at Walmart. Cinnamon Toast Crunch root beer float flavored. Now, I'm not going to try it, but I will have one of the kids do a taste test for you. They like root beer. I do not. Not at all. But that is what we got today at the Food Pantry, and the one thing I thought I'd show you from going to Walmart. Yeah, so it's a beautiful day. I'm going to go take advantage of the sun and the warm, toasty temperature out there. It's 70 degrees out there. Oh, it's so, so very nice. And spend some time outside. So I'll get this stuff put away, and we'll see you on the next video. Everybody have a great, wonderful, super fantastic day.